In this video, I explain the automatic main failure or AMF. Automatic main failure or AMF. AMF is also known as ATS, automatic transfer switch. Okay, automatic transfer switch. So AMF is nothing but it is a changeover switch between the utility grid and the standby generator. The automatic main failure switch, and sometimes it is aligned with the utility side, and sometimes it is aligned with the generator side. So this automatic main failure is either aligned with the utility side or aligned with the generator side. So actually it is a changeover switch. So this is the block diagram of AMF. Okay, so the main supply means the grid connection or the electricity from the electricity boards, and a standby the generator means it's a standby generator, and two contactor ACB air circuit breaker contactor are used, and one contactor is connected with the or is control the main supply, and the second contactor ACB which control the generator supply, and output of 2 ACB is connected to the load. You can see the output of 2 ACB which is connected to the load. Along with this block, we have there are two blocks: voltage monitoring relay and voltage source selector. The function of voltage monitoring relay is to sense the voltage of both main supply and generator at any instant. And the function of voltage source selector is to turn on or off the generator, or close or open the two circuit breaker or ACB. So that is a function of voltage source selector. So during the normal operation, we get the supply from the main supply, and the corresponding ACB will be closed, and the generator ACB will be opened, and the load gets supply from the main supply through the corresponding contactor. So this is the supply path from main supply to the load through the ACB. Okay, in that scenario, the voltage monitoring relay which sends the voltage of both main supply and generator. So in this scenario, the voltage of generator is 0, and the a good voltage value is coming from the main supply. Whenever the voltage value drops to 0, okay, that means interruption. Voltage value drops to 0 or interruption occur. The voltage monitoring relay activate the voltage selector and send a control signal to the generator to turn on the generator. And also the voltage source selector send a signal to open the main supply ACB and close the generator ACB. So in this scenario, the load gets supply from the generator through the second contactor, and the power from the grid retained means the voltage become healthy. At that condition, the voltage monitoring relay sends the voltage value from the main supply, and the corresponding voltage source selector which send a signal to the generator to turn off the generator, and also it send a signal to close the main supply contactor and open the generator contactor. So in this case, the load gets supply from the main supply. So that is AMF.